Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on a CRM, which is, you must have all heard and you must have noticed that a lot of call centers have these CRMs. What is really a CRM? Of course, we know the full form as customer relationship management, but what is it when we talk about how to use the CRM or the CRM system or software for our company or for our business? Customer relationship management or CRM is used for managing a customer's interaction or company's interaction with prospective customers and current customers. So, two types of customers basically, whoever is your current customer and whoever is your prospective customer. So, the next customer who's going to get in your company. The CRM helps a brand to understand the interactions and the communications or the conversations that takes place between these sets of customers and the brand. It is a strategy designed to help companies increase their productivity and improve their customer satisfaction and retention rate. So the CSAT and the customer retention rate works very well if you have a CRM in place. So all these systems together work phenomenal for your business growth. This strategy is very powerful as it provides a comprehensive view of different types of monitors like previous interaction, pending invoices, status of business or status of others, and many other things. Many businesses use CRM in tracking data of individual clients as well. So complete data is fed in a CRM, and then the data consumption is also done through that. We also come to know how many customers are satisfied and how many are we able to retain. Not only that, we also come to know if there are certain invoices which are pending or still to be given. Any kind of information is just a click away. That's the CRM power. Knowing the data of each client is necessary so that the sales team will know the information needed in dealing with each and every customer. At the end of the day, the sales is something that we are working for, and the sales teams needs to be proactive. CRM helps them to be proactive because their team would definitely come to know entire information what they really want about all sorts of payments pending or to be done or referred or refunded or whatever in terms of money is concerned. CRM is the best part to help the sales team to be upfront. Having the necessary information is useful, so each customer will be given individual service. At the end of the day, each customer is important and each customer requires or demands or expects an individual service given to them. And this is why we can do, if we have the complete information about a person, it's very easy to then give them the best service. There are many a times where I train the call centers, especially the call centers are the places where the CRM data is used at the most because they are dealing with a lot of data, maybe a huge bunch of data. The contact center industry is offering various services to different businesses and organizations. The good thing is that these services aim to help for improving customer satisfaction and customer service for the relationships. Many call centers use the CRM strategy in providing effective customer service to be able to enhance their customer relationships. So we are working very closely towards our customer relationships, and the way we work close is your customer service. And customer relationship management system is something which helps us to serve our clients the best. Through customer relationship management, the company can expect high profits as compared to the competitors who are employing such strategies. So there are a lot of competitors, in fact, a lot of companies who use the CRM. And every year there is a lot of updating happening in the CRM. So the initial CRM which I remember, where I was a trainer at a call center, would only give you information related to the customer's know-how. Now CRMs give you the information of everything, right from the know-how to the billing, to the sales, to expected and unexpected customers to prospective customers data as well. So there are a lot of new fields that keep adding every year to the CRM, and the more it is progressing, the more it is getting very friendly, user friendly, effective for taking our business to a different level. There are plenty of strategies used in dealing with them, strategies in driving potential customers to your business. These actually, CRM is not only for giving information, it's a complete strategy to take our business at the next level or a higher level. Integrating customer relationship management in social media can boost your business. A company who The people who know that you are working on a CRM strategy, they definitely get along with you and that boosts your business very high. It is because of your potential customers are the members of different social networks. They are definitely in a lot of social networks. You might get a member or you might get a customer who would say, okay, why don't you ping me your schemes and offers on LinkedIn? I'm connected. Why don't you connect to me? So at this times, if you connect to them through CRMs, that's something which your business would go to a next level. CRMs work really effective when and they help you in your customer relationships. The industry using CRM software is tracking the history of your current customers. The software can also help in identifying the loyal customers, the satisfied customers who can easily give you rewards for their loyalty. This will not only attract more customers but also help you to be happy with your current ones and to patronize your business for a longer period of time. So it not only brings you or attracts new customer, because everything now, any comment or any good feedback that is shared, if goes on CRM and it's connected to so many people, indirectly you have a lot of new customers walking in, and you also have a lot of healthy relationships to share with your current customers as well. Additionally, implementing customer relationship management can help in resolving issues quickly and treating customers fairly. That is very important, friends. Right now, more than achieving more into our business, of course, that's the most important niche, but then more than that also is how quickly and how effectively you treat your customer. Usually, customers are judging your business on how the business handles the customer. So, customer service is something that you're judged on. Complaints and issues, regrets is also something, your nasty experiences, all this add a negative point to your business. However, through CRMs, issues and complaints are easily resolved because they are in place and they are distributed to the equal customer service executives, and that's how they get resolved quickly. It is because the system can sort the issues and queries and at the same time forward them to the appropriate departments. Forwarding issues and queries accordingly is the best option because each department can access all the relevant information and the addresses and address those issues. So if there is a customer service issue, it goes to the customer service department. If there is a sales issue, it goes to the sales department. If there is a marketing issue, it can go to the marketing department. And then thus can be resolved very quickly because then there will be not a bunch of issues which are already clubbed in and we then sort it personally. It's all the system who does and handles it. So basically, what we are trying to do is we tried to do it ourselves, and definitely as humans we failed. But then we've introduced a system made by humans, of course, which is the CRM, and that's definitely a success to your business. Poor understanding and implementation of customer service management definition can make a big difference in the perception of your customers about your company. If you do not have the right way to use it or you're not using it the right way, that can bring a very, very negative impact to your company. Most customers have been trusting companies that can handle customer service issues very fairly. So the first thing is the company that gives me the best service, I really trust that company because I've been a loyal customer since a very, very long time. That's the first thing that comes out. When this kind of experience is what they have and what they share, they will most likely do the business with that particular company again and again. So it's not only one time affair, it's a lifetime affair. Through this, one can see how well a CRM will do in building your own brand to help your own business succeed and reach to another level. So friends, this was a small explanation about what exactly CRM is, how it can help your business to reach to the next level, and how can you use it, and the negative and the positive points. Negative is only one. We need to understand how best we can use it. So unless and until we don't know the know-how of using CRM to our business, we must first learn and then get started. That's all from my end for knowing you what the CRM is or telling you what the CRM is. We'll see the benefits in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ikira and keep subscribing to our channel.